What if every field observation instantly turned into actionable insights? No messy spreadsheets, no scattered notes, no wasted time. With Drone Harmony's Asset Inspector, condition insights become part of a seamless, end-to-end workflow. In the field, drone operators capture images and log initial findings. The process is simple and intuitive, both for pilots and office staff. Back in the office, inspectors review the data, refining results, tagging locations, and defining criticality. Everything is standardized, centralized, traceable. The result? Complete control. From field to office, insights flow effortlessly. One workflow, one platform, trusted insights at scale. Book a free demo call